So I took 4 trades today, all on Tesla. I was happy with, I guess, my mentality or psychology going trading day to day. I used my written trade plan to try to determine what stock and play I wanted to trade, and Tesla was the only one that ended up being strong and trending in the direction of the 60 in the daily. So that's the reason I took it. Something weird happened with my hotkey, and I'm still not sure what it was. So I went to take a 2-minute orb. I put my stop loss lower than is shown here of it stopping me out. And I don't know what happened. It's never happened to me before. But so then I tried it again on my second trade because I was like, what the hell happened? And it worked fine. It came back and wicked me out. And then the third trade was 5-minute orb, but I jumped in a little bit early. So I don't know, that was probably premature, and I shouldn't have gotten all out there. I should have just held in. But it was at that, I forget where that 7:30 pre-market or yesterday's level. That's in pre-market. And then I tried an ad, which my hotkey didn't work on my ad, so that was weird. I think I definitely need to figure out what's going on with the hotkeys. That's strange. This has never happened to me before. But so we had an ABCD, and it was the second leg, so I went to try to take it up. I ended up only taking 4 shares, so with the stop I had to take, it still would have been, risk to reward was there if I would have held. But at that point I was pissed about the hotkeys, so I didn't. So I have this queued up. I want to watch it again. Oh shit, this is too far. Too far. There we go. Two-minute. Come above BWAP here. It bounced off that moving average. I put it below that moving average there, and it automatically stopped me out. So I don't know. So try it again. I'm going to try for the 5. Premature, for sure. But I was pretty confident looking at the white bars and volume. So here I only took 4 shares. Gonna get a pop. Selling comes to the tape. Don't know why I'm looking at XBEV or NEO. You don't see those asks up there like that much for Tesla, so that was kind of interesting. So then it comes back, but so there's a lot of volume on that last bar, so still pretty confident that it's going to keep going. trying to get to that 7:30. At this point, I was watching the time and sales, waiting for it. I think it punches right through. Yep, there. So it punches through. I took a partial, but I only had 4 shares, so then I had to get all out. So I couldn't take 25% partials. So now it's pulling back, but it's still white volume bars. So low selling volume in the first bar. And now we have some bigger bids coming in. But still, I mean, relative to the last buying bars, the white bar is low volume. So I should still have 3 shares here because I had 25% partial, so I got out of 1 share. So then I try and add. I think it comes down a little bit more maybe. So I added 8 shares. So I should have 11 shares now. So now I should still have 3 shares. I should have given myself more room on that stop. I should have had it below that moving average. Okay, so I tried to add once. It doesn't work. I should have 3 shares, but I don't. It sold everything. So I try to add again. So I take 5 shares. And at this point, the risk to reward isn't there. So I don't know, whatever. It's at all-time high, though, so maybe I'll just punch through everything. I'm pretty confident going looking at the falling volume on the red bars. So now it's going another leg up. I think I'd take a couple partials after that. But really strange that it sold, I had to stop for 8 shares and it sold 11. So I think like I need to be really conscious of that and test that a couple times. Is it going to sell everything if I have a stop, not just the shares that the stop is for? So I don't know. That was weird. I'm going to keep trying to use my written trade plan. I think that works really well for me. So I don't know. That's it. Bye.